Fix Windows error reporting, WerFault.exe, high CPU in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Method 1. End the WerFault.exe process. Method 2. Fix corrupted system files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. Method 3. Perform a Microsoft Defender scan. It is possible that a malware infection may be the cause of WerFault.exe using high amounts of CPU. It is important to run a comprehensive security scan to rule out this possibility and ensure that the computer is not infected. Method 4. Disable Windows error reporting service. Method 5. Use System Restore. System Restore is a feature in Microsoft Windows that allows users to revert their computer's state to a previous point in time. This can be helpful if you have made changes to your system that are causing problems.